Hello everyone. In this session we are going to learn about how to create reports based on tables and then on queries. So let's select, I'll show you what data is there in these tables. The type and the structure of the table is category, category ID, category name, product name, category ID, brand ID, and the brand table. So basically product is the master table and these are child tables, and product table is having two foreign keys, cat ID and brand ID. So brand ID is linked with the brand ID brand table, cat ID is linked with category cat ID field. Now to have the reports, click on the table, go to create, click report. Very simple and fast, of course. So here you can see that this report is being created. Now I will close this one to save the report. I will say brand list. So now double click this report and you can see the brand list is here. So total brands we are having is a record count total 17. Now of course you can change the layout of the report, so you can delete this one. Date and time is by default, it's there. Brand ID and then brand name. You want to give it a different color, you can give different color also. So this is how the reports work. This is a very basic report, and we will adjust this as well. Now save and report view. So you can see the brand ID, brand name. Now these headers need to be changed just to give it a good look. So we'll say brand ID and we'll write brand name or description, whatever you want to have it. For sure you can. Then format it and then underline and change the color, save, and then report view. So this is the basic report. So the total is here. If you want to, this count is there already, so what you can do, okay, I'll show you. Okay, this is the layout. We'll remove the layout, remove layout. I will move this towards the side. Okay, and then I will create a label. Total brands. So save and report view. So you can see now total brands 17. Then I just for height and width of the columns. And okay, so this was all about how to create a report based on a table. So this was very simple. Okay, now if we click on this one, it will have the same result. Now in the previous sessions we have seen that this query, we have created a query which is selecting the records from all these three tables. So I will run first this query. This query is showing me product ID, desktop, the product name, the product category ID, brand ID, quantity, purchase date, expiry, brand. Now the thing is, it is showing me the fields from brand, the brand ID, and the brand name as well. If I open the product table directly, so here what I am getting, brand ID and category ID. But in this product table we don't have the description of the brand. But on the form, definitely form or reports, definitely for the reports, although we can show the IDs, but names should appear there. So that's why we have created this query product. I'll just show you the design view. This is the design view of query product, and there is no filter on that. Now what we'll do, we'll create a report based on query product and click this one. Okay, this is how our report is appearing. Now you can see the total is here, fine, which is fine. I will just adjust this is in the layout view, and then we can adjust it. Now the thing is that this report is going in landscape format, and then you can see, but the page layout is still portrait. You can see 1 2 3, so this report will be printed on 3 pages. So what we are going to do, we'll adjust the width. Here we'll say just ID. Okay, product description. Now for this ID, we don't need this ID, so what we'll do, we'll delete this. Okay, brand ID also we don't need. We'll delete this one. Quantity, for sure quantity we need. Adjust the width, and of course we can say centralized. Give it central alignment. Purchase date, expiry date we need. Unit price we need. Brand ID, again brand ID we don't need, but we need the brand name. So there is a brand name, also brand. Okay, adjust the width. Category ID we don't need, so now the category, we'll give it a label category. Now go to base setup, so landscape. Now you can see here our report is within the margins. Okay, save. Now we'll say product list. Report name is product list. Run the report. Report view. This is how our report looks like. So we can still change the design, just as we have changed the design of forms. Okay, now you can see this one is appearing here because our page is still, this page number is still out of the range. This extra space will remove. Report view, but still you can change the design. So this is how our report looks like. And if you want to print the list of products, so all the products are mentioned here. In next session we'll be looking at how to put the groupings, because currently category, brands, and then so we can have multiple sorting orders and the grouping as well. See you in next session, and let me know if you have any comments or questions. Have a great day ahead.